Morning folks, Sunday means one thing, magnet fishing. I'm Chris, here's Bobby Yam Yam.
Good morning.
And here's Cindy.
Morning.
We are at Netherton Magnet Fishing UK, out at this location, just waiting on the Johnsons, Johnson's Adventures, James, Malvern Magneteers and Rag and Bone Dippers. They're coming over to meet us today for their first meet with anybody, so let's get some lines in, back in a bit. Got my first find, Stanley tape measure, and the fence bar, and the front cover of a street light. These are the rest of the guys fishing on. Let's carry on. Here's our Bob. Himself a nice saw.
Oh, I saw it coming out the water, I did.
He did. Saw it coming.
I did.
Let's fish on. Next find, steel tail cap shoe. See if I can find the other one. Here's our scene. Got a push fine. Nice hammer. And look at that for an old oil can. That's got some age to it. Put it in the line.
It's an older then.
Yeah, it's really old.
Yes.
Well done, mate. Fish on. Next find, the remains of a BMX stunt bike. Somebody's pride and joy. Thrown in the cut. And he needs a set of wheels. Smart that. Back again with our pops. For himself a shotgun shell. There. It's been in long, has it?
Yeah.
There you go. Well done, mate. Let's fish on.
Keep that on. Yeah, let me see the
Back again, just been joined by James.
Yeah, morning.
Malvern Magneteers. Please like and subscribe. Cracking little channel. Let's fish on. Next find, cigarette lighter. That has been shoved into a shotgun cartridge. And this great big thing, that was heavy. Big pipe. Let's fish on. Next find, a kiddie scooter. One of the wheels has broke. What a shame. Let's fish on. Back again with our pops. What you got?
I've got a knife.
Ooh, it's nice, isn't it? That's been in some time.
That is.
Nice knife.
I'll clean that up.
Playing it up, mate. Well done. Next find, the top of the flue, I would say. Stop the rain from going down. They usually rot away quick, but probably fresh in the water. Just been joined by Rag and Bone Dippers. He's Des.
Oh yeah.
I'm Leanne from Rag and Bone Dippers. Hi everyone.
Oh, I've got one of them down here.
Let's carry on fishing. Back again. Bit unusual. It's a nail with tape wrapped round it. Looks like a small handheld shank. Somebody's made up. Naughty naughty. Back with our sin. It's got herself a mystery bag. Oh, here's a knife. Cut it open, sin. It's in a bag in a bag. Cut one open if you think there's something in. Pick one up, shall we? To be honest, mate, I don't know. Anything in the other bags?
It's the same thing, say it.
Oh no. Boats. Oh well, never mind. Let's fish on. Next find, another scooter. Wheels are missing off it now, but let's fish on. Folks, move location, next bridge up. So we're just waiting for the rest of the guys to get out the cars. I'm just parking up just around the corner, so let's see what we can get out of here. Back in a bit. Just had a shout from our Pops, got himself a cash box.
Nothing in.
Nothing in it, never mind. Let's fish on. Hey, scaffolding. You call good bloody magnet fishing without pulling a bit of scaffolding out. I just hope that's it though, I don't know more. Now for Marcin, got herself a padlock. Just need the key. Fish on. Now then, back again with Marcin, what you got again?
A kitchen knife.
Murder weapon. What's it doing in there? It's naughty. Hold on, mate.
Bob's put it in there.
Well, folks, that's it, time caught up yet again. Not the best of days, but it's been fun. So from me, Sin,
Bye.
Bob,
Bye.
and James,
See you later.
Malvern Magneteers, and thanks for the Rag and Bone Dippers coming over to meet us today. Brilliant channel, check them out guys, like and subscribe to them as well. So catch you all next week, bye.